Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve a stunning full glam makeup look perfect for beginners. I know doing a full glam makeup can seem intimidating with all the product and the techniques that are out there. It's easy to feel lost, but don't worry, today I'm going to show you a super easy and fun way to do that. If you've ever struggled with blending your eyeshadow, matching your foundation shade, or even applying false lashes, you are not alone. We all started somewhere. So today I'm going to walk you through every step, making sure you feel confident and look gorgeous by the end of this video. So grab your makeup kit and follow along as I guide you through this easy step-by-step full glam tutorial. Let's get into it. Before you get started with makeup, it's super important to prep your skin. A clean and moisturized skin makes a huge difference on how your makeup will look and last. But before that, I'll go ahead and do my brows first. This will make the work easy for me. After lining my brows, I'll go ahead and use a concealer to just clean that up so it's looking neat. As you know, brows really uplift your makeup, so you want to always make sure that your brows are on point. So after concealing my brow, whatever is left on the brush, I'll just apply that onto my lid. My face is already clean. I'll just spray it to hydrate it a little bit. Then I'll apply a moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated. This will prevent your makeup from looking cakey. Since I'll be keeping this makeup for a very long time, I'll be working with setting spray throughout the process. So after you moisturize, you want to go ahead and apply your primer. This will create a smooth base for your makeup and help it stay in place all day. For today, I used two primers, one for glowing the skin and the other one is the powered grey primer. Now that your skin is prepped, it's time for foundation. You want to choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. When getting a foundation, especially if you are getting it online, get 2 or 3 shades so you can mix them together. From there, you can get your perfect shade, because most of the time when you're buying online, to get your perfect shade is kind of challenging. You want to apply your foundation with a brush or with a damp beauty sponge, or you can apply it with a brush first, then you use a beauty sponge to blend it, like what I did. For makeup, blending is key. Take your time to blend your foundation to get it flawless. And I'll be spraying my face after every step because I want the makeup to last a whole night. Let's brighten up the face with some concealer. This will help hide any dark circles and highlight certain areas. Dot concealer under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, your chin, and a little on your forehead. Then blend it out with the same beauty blender or a concealer brush. If you want a more lifted look, apply concealer in an upward motion toward the temple. Also let your concealer sit for a while to get tacky. This will give you a full coverage. Then you want to go ahead and use your clean beauty sponge to blend your concealer. Gently blend, don't be in a hurry. Take your time to really blend your concealer very well. That will give you a flawless finish. To lock in your foundation and your concealer, we are going to set it with a translucent setting powder. Use a fluffy brush, or you can use a powder puff like this one I'm using to powder under your eyes and the areas where you get oily, like your T-zone. If you have dry skin, just use a little powder focusing on the areas that you tend to crease. So after setting my face, I'll go ahead and start doing my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, you can start by applying your transition shade, which is the light shade, but in this case I'll be starting with the darkest shade. Now I'm applying this. Eyeshadow normally don't have a particular way you want to apply it. It just depends on the type of look you're going for. For this look, I started in the inner corner, then I'm going to cut the crease. First of all, I use the dark shade, then I use my transition shade to blend that. After I blend that, I went ahead and cut the crease. Now for cutting the crease, you can use your concealer, or you can also use an eyeshadow base. After cutting the crease, I'll go ahead and set that up with a nude shade. Then I'll go back in with the shades that I used before. That is the dark brown shade and the light shade, just to blend the outer corner of the eyes. When you're blending your shades, you want to make sure that they are fading into each other. You don't want to have lines on them. Now after blending that, I'm okay with the blend, I'll go ahead and apply a little bit of gold shimmer. Then I'll apply some glitter. For eyeshadow, it depends on your preference and it depends on the look you're going for. Now after I finish applying my eyeshadow, I'll go ahead and apply my liner. If you have problems applying eyeliner, I will advise you go in with a pencil, not a liquid liner, especially if you're a beginner, like what I did in this video. A black pencil will do the job perfectly. So after lining, I'll go ahead and apply some false lashes. To apply some false lashes, it can be sometimes challenging. So what you want to do is apply a little bit of the glue on your lash line and leave it there to get tacky while you apply some on the eyelash itself. When it's tacky, you just drop it and it's going to stick. Then you can use your hand to kind of blend it with your natural lash. After doing my eye makeup, I'll go in and start bringing back the shades onto my face. For that, I'll be applying some blush and some bronzer. That will just bring back the shade of my face, because most of the times when you apply foundation, it gives you a blank canvas, but normally our face is not one shade. That's why you need your contour, you need your blush, and you need your bronzer to warm up my face. So after contouring your face, applying your blush, you want to go ahead and apply some highlight to just make your makeup really pop up well. You want to apply some on the bridge of your nose, the highlight, and on the tip of your nose, then your cheekbone. That will give you that glow on your face. When you finish with your entire face, you want to go ahead and do your lips. You can do your lips in any shade and any color that you want. I did a nude lip combo. You can do any lip combo that you want, and after you do that, you want to go ahead and spray your entire face to lock in the makeup. I'll take out the band that I have on my head, then I'll use the sponge I used to blend to just blend that area so it blends into the entire makeup. So I want to apologize for the noise that you hear behind. It was practically impossible to avoid it. So thank you for watching, guys. That will be it about this tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. If you like tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments so I can do more of them. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any uploads. If you take a look at the end of the video, I went ahead and changed the lip color because the dress I was wearing, just for it to match a bit. And you see that the different colors still look good with the makeup. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.